Happy Halloween.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day. Oh,
Electronic Stratego.
This really reminds me of Keanu's house.
Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Fine. What you looking for?
The estate sale?
Yeah, but anything in particular?
No, not really. We just figured we'd stop by and check it out.
Okay.
Ooh, look, we could buy large snow babies.
Snow babies?
Yeah.
What are snow babies?
Sorry,
What are they?
I don't even know what's...
Yeah, I've never heard of that. Is just this room?
It depends whether you're looking for furniture.
No, no furniture.
Yeah, it's just this room.
CDs.
And there's some elements in here.
Oh, look at that.
You said some albums? Records?
Yeah,
Oh, I do like records.
in here.
Grandma's house?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. I don't know. Still kind of learning them. But it seems like, Letterman. These are really old. Herb Ellis. Oh, my back hurts. What is this? Louis Armstrong.
Oh, I'm just gonna put this. Look at it.
These are too old.
Yeah, I think I'm going to hold up, wait, let me see these.
Yeah.
What is that? I feel like I've heard of that.
I haven't.
Dixie, that's one.
It's like another name for Tennessee, I think.
Yeah.
Streisand. Who is this? Emotion. Barbara. That one's cool. Hold on to that one. I might get all these Streisand ones. I guess depends on what they're charging for them, I guess. Hold those. Those are cool. Sandy Patty. Love Story.
Have any of you left this?
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Yeah.
So I don't know what to
But
do.
it's like usually $6 max.
Yeah, you can get it.
Yeah. Yeah. But if you do it a lot, you know. Alabama. It's probably not. I think with your limit, I would wait for something better. Oh man. No, my mom has a ton of them. How much are these records? Sinatra.
$1 piece.
Oh, 3 for $2?
The man says $1 piece.
He's firm, huh?
He's firm. Some people you just can't mess with.
Can't mess with a man's records. The Broadway album. I'll just get 2. I only want to spend 2. Here, I'm just gonna get 2.
Oh, cool beans.
Barbara.
Barbara.
2 Barbaras. All right, thank you guys. Good luck. Blah.
What?
There's a poop sale. Oh, Barbies. Your favorite. A lot of toys.
Polly I have that.
How much are you, little
Callie likes those little car things.
What is this?
Cinderella something.
Cinderella. You said I was going crazy.
It's an interesting way to lay out your items, huh? It does make it easy to see stuff.
I love these things.
Kaleidoscope. Anna and Callie would like this sale.
All the furniture? Okay. At the other, okay. We're helping you with the furniture.
And now that one stuff to look at it. Goodness. Oh look, naked Barbie.
This. Nothing. Bunch of balloons. Those are fun.
Bunch of balloons.
Rotate and inflate. That's fun.
Add the balloons and they help you blow them up.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that thing works crazy good.
Yeah?
I actually bought 2 of them, so we didn't use that one.
How much is it?
I don't know, $5. You can get more balloons at Target,
Okay.
and it blows them up in 20 seconds. And
Do they float? They don't
oh,
float.
you can do a helium tank.
Oh,
but
okay.
That's just for, yeah.
Would you do 3 on it?
Sure.
Cool.
And then,
Yeah, we'll have some fun with that.
You can get different colored balloons at Target.
Cool. That'll be fun. All right, cool,
Thank
man.
you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
That's kind of fun.
Buying the Barbies because they get like to buy Barbies.
Oh, I know. Sometimes I get guilted into buying stuff from kids just because, like, I want them to be happy.
Yeah, like even if it's $1, they're like,
And this is
"Mommy,
brand
look."
new, right? It's got to be worth more than $3, maybe.
Honestly, no, I think we should.
I don't know. My mask is sweating. Hello, how are you? Pretty good. Happy Halloween.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Electronic Stratego.
Yeah, the electronic part.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't work.
It only was lights. It's all manual,
Ah, okay.
but it had a couple little lights that don't work. But
I'll take it for $1.
okay.
It brings back the memories.
Oh, absolutely. This is my son's.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Let's see what else you got here. You sell a lot of stuff?
Yes, we have.
Yeah, these yard sales have been really crowded lately when I go to them. I'm shocked by the amount of... It's oh, when you're in the water?
Yeah.
Ah,
Pool workout.
that's cool. You get all buff. Bar stools.
Oh, so you try to push it down? Then
I don't know, how's it work? You push it down in the water?
Yes.
Yeah.
because it's forcing it up.
Yeah, the belt, the holds you buoyant, straight up and down. The gloves are to cause resistance.
Okay.
Go back and forth with your arms.
These are always cool. I think this is all I'm going with. Yeah, that's cool. All right, thank you guys. Good luck.
Have fun with that.
Yeah, I will.
So this place, Stratego, I love Stratego.
You do love it?
Uh-huh.
You remember how to play it?
Yeah, it's like, that's what I thought Risk was.
Oh, really?
I forgot the rules, but I remember how